Doug, you're going to get 1 year of complimentary tire and wheel coverage. Now, do you know what that is?
No.
All right. Have you ever hit a pothole?
Sure.
Have you ever had a flat tire?
Sure.
Have you ever had to replace a tire because you blew a tire?
Yeah.
How much did it cost you?
About 200, 250.
Have you ever had to replace a wheel?
Yeah.
Okay, how much did that cost you?
About 600 or 700.
For the next year, your tires and wheels are covered due to damage from road hazards. If you hit anything between the curbs, whether it be a pothole, something as small as a nail, a piece of metal, it doesn't matter. If it damages the tire and it cannot be fixed, by the way, we'll also pay to have it fixed if it can be fixed, but if it can't be fixed, we will replace the tire, zero deductible. If you hit something hard enough to bend or break your wheel to the point where it won't seal, we will also replace your wheel as well. Okay, we will do that an unlimited number of times. That coverage is good for 1 year, unlimited miles. And if you like the coverage, and you probably should, especially here in New Jersey, you can always extend that coverage out, okay?